When it comes to making art, I definitely know a thing or two, buddy. Uh, Look at my hat. That's crazy. Look, look at that. It's like a sock. Yeah, what was I saying? I've spent many hours making art. Many, many hours. So, when I tell you something, just listen to me. I'm just joking, but these are some recent pieces that I've made. Do you like it? I'm sure you do. Just like, comment, and subscribe so you can come back and see more. This is another piece that I made. This is watercolor on mixed media paper. Yeah. And collage as well. So mixed media on mixed media paper. From what I've experienced with art, like for me personally, I have made a lot of different art. I've made also these kind of paintings. You know, these ones are like all canvassy and, oh, I'm going to take my time with it kind of thing. But what I'm saying here is like, I have seen that it doesn't matter what way you make your art. You have to be happy with how long it takes and all these things. For me, I'm just focusing right now more on like mixed media, kind of, because for me it takes. Why do I keep saying for me? For me, it doesn't take that long. Like I love how raw and honest and just it is. When oh my God, say for me one more time. What was I saying to you? Yeah. So basically, I love it when things are just make it. Just make it. That's, to me, that's the art. Oh, I didn't say for me, I said to me just now. That's the art. When you can just like create quick. I can create real quick. I can paint things real quick. When you start getting all elaborate and shmanaborate and debaborate, that's when it starts to just be like, all right, buddy, now what? I have all the elaborate things. This took me, one second, I'll come back to you. This took me like 6 weeks to make. It's very nice. Very beautiful, just like you. But it's like, I don't know. There's a time and place, you know, like right now, I'm not saying that anything is wrong. There is no wrong path. They're all just paths. What I'm saying here is like, there's a time and place for these things. I made that in 2020. That was like a time where you just, you weren't doing anything anyway, so you might as well just take your time on things. Right now, I'm not saying that I'm rushing myself. It's just like, right now, I'm at this point as an artist where I just want to make things like, and see how it goes and not have to like spend too long on projects. Like that's one thing I don't like. I don't like spending too long on projects because it just bores me. I love to just keep experiencing different things. Like with this, it was like super. I felt good when I made it. Do you get what I'm saying? And it didn't. It wasn't something I just spent hours and hours on. So this is my point. Like you got to make When you make art, you gotta make it from within you. It comes from within. Like, I wouldn't do like that realistic photorealism stuff. Oh, I just painted a cheek for 10 hours. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that because I just get bored. Like, I want to make stuff. I just want to keep making stuff. This was something that might have like stopped me previously, you know, because I was like, oh, it's got to be a certain way. I gotta be making my art for 10 hours straight, baby. Nuh-uh. Not today, buddy. Not today. Look, this hat isn't even meant to be. Doesn't it look odd? But I like it. Because I'm odd. In a good way. Alright. But yeah, like, this is actually how I wear it. But when I'm in here, it just gives me a superpower. I don't know. This is like, it's through this chakra up here. So here, it's channeling the energy so that I can spew out the information into the camera. Do you see how that works? You go from here, pew, 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 take the knowledge, take the knowledge, take the knowledge, you deserve it. So yeah, that's what I was just saying. Like, with art, you got to make art. The more you make art, I really believe the more you make it is the more you start to understand yourself. It's not about art. It's about everything. Like, everything is the same in the world. Like, everything is about understanding who you are. These are just tools and mediums for you to understand what you're about. Understand yourself, like, in a spiritual way, in a deep way. These are just different ways that we're expressing ourselves, God, consciousness, all these things. So right now, my experience wants me to like make art that's just quick. That's all I want to do. Just want to make quick art. Because I enjoy it. Like, I felt something when I did it inside. But yeah, I haven't made anything since that day. Cool. Oh well. Um, yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. Oh yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do it so that you can see me talk to this camera again. No, that's better. All right, toodle.